Okay, back for another one. Just sort of wedging ourselves in between these two buildings quickly. And then oop, I went to save instead of lower the anchor. There we go. All right, shark has to be defeated first. Easy peasy. Luckily, it looks like I'd already sort of softened him up a little bit, so that's good. Okay. This is where I enter, if I remember correct. And we're just praying and hoping and praying and hoping that there are those here. But I seem to recall that one should be in here, so I'm a little concerned that once again there will be no enemies. Which is quite annoying. I don't know what's going on with the spawn rate at these places, but I'm 90% sure there was one in here in previous days, but there is not. I mean, I'm gonna go down to the next level because, like, it's very little work to potentially, save myself an extra trip later on. Or up to the next level, I apologize. Tell me. Just pretend for me that there's one in here. I mean, I guess I'm getting a bunch of junk, so it's not a total waste of my time, but it's kind of a total waste of my time. Oh boy. Okay. How does the game work? Because here's the thing: is I'm like leaving the game. My understanding is you can like save scum. You know what I mean? Like that's a possibility. Like you can just save and like re-enter the world and they'll be here. Let me hang on. So my like I just all I want. I'm a simple man. I just want there to be some fucking anglerfish, you know? I'm not asking for a lot. I'm not even like asking for there to be more in the world or for them to spawn, in the somewhere where I have easy access to. I'm not looking to like farm them in some like cheesy way. I just want them to be there if I leave and come back. That's all I want. I'm a simple man. I'm not asking for like everything in the world, am I? Is this too much to request? Mm. So you know what I've been concerned about recently is I cannot, for the life of me, understand like announcements over a loudspeaker. I mean, like at all. I don't mean like if the person talking is like mumbling or something I can't understand. I mean, like, I can't understand anything they say. Like, it truly, I can't, like, and I'm trying like hard sometimes now because I'm like concerned about it. But I will be standing right next to someone and I'll just hear like what to me is like the Peanuts, like adults, in the old Peanuts cartoons, the adults are just like, and that happens for like 5 minutes and I'm like trying to parse it out really hard, and then my friend next to me is like, hey, we have to go to this place, like the next place, and I'm like, what, how did you get that out of that? I don't understand. And look at that. Fucking nothing, huh? So I guess you can't save scum it either. I just it's just frustrating to say the least. Let me just I just want to look just for my own. Nope. Unreal, you know. I wish I could I wish these could take enough damage to have something actually happen to them. Um, so that I could not have to wait constantly. The shark respawns faster now. Am I wrong about that? I feel like he really like shows up quick nowadays. I'm just gonna no, not even that. Just raise anchor, let ourselves float away, and then I'm gonna change the what's it called to temperance, because I gotta do something about this. I do wonder if I just have to go to like another full location, and that's what's like the cause of the issue. Are we sort of naturally heading towards temperance? Not really. Let's make it happen. Let's make our dreams come true. Be the change we want to see in the world. Here. Turn on the engines. Get ourselves a roll in. Turn that off to save some energy. And then start hooking stuff. I really got to clean my screen. I keep seeing, dang it. I keep thinking I'm catching like a glimpse of an island, but there's just a very slight like bit of like dust that's like it's like a big piece like area of the screen, but not like okay, but not like particularly like dark dust, but it's just enough that I'm like, oh, I think I see an island out there. Got it. Yeah, just come on. Well, God, I wish it was just collect 5,000 pieces of trash, because I'd be well on my way to that. I'd probably have been done with that several play sessions ago. Oh, am I gonna starve to death? I'm just realizing now. Oop, opening the inventory again for the first time since I tried to cheat the system. Just have some water. Refill. This is out of power, I bet. It is. Beautiful. There's the bird again. I've never seen this glitch before. This is my first time seeing it, and now I'm like seeing it like back to back. Uh, I mean, unless this is intended, possible, I suppose. Wow, the hook is like really struggling today too. I feel like I must have done something to the game because it's freaking out today. Not sure what's going on. I don't have any other programs running on my computer that are abnormal or anything. Oh wow, that was just a whiff on my part. I don't even think I'm lined up with it. I'm not. But da da da. Beautiful. Get it. Yeah. Oh, there's a little island over there. I should go to that. Just a slight adjust. By a slight adjustment, I mean a 90-degree turn. Getting them. Sometimes I feel like I'm great at it, and other times I feel like I'm the worst. Right. But yeah, is there some sort of I do wonder if I have some sort of inability to um, perceive like language in certain circumstances. It like worries me a little bit occasionally. Um, because it's not like I can't understand if I'm like listening to a podcast or something, and I know that like it's probably like something to do with the fidelity or like how the sound is like echoing in the space or something. Oh, I should turn off my engines. Should not leave those. It's very funny. I don't think that that's a mechanic in the game, but I do have this feeling like, oh, it's gonna break because you can't like break an engine and just like gun it. Like it does bad things to your car, I assume. Well, especially if it's making a noise like every time. Okay. For real? Have they just stopped? Is there like, am I? Is there something wrong with me? It's not like they use what's it called? Batteries. They just like run until they disappear. What's going on? Very strange. Very strange indeed. The nice clean turn. And then do. Stuff. the eggs. Oop, excuse me. I wonder if this is like an efficient means of creating fuel. You know, egg collection. Do we think? Probably not. Probably no. Oop, there's the ice. What is going on? It must be colliding with the boat somehow that I'm not realizing. That's not right. Right? That's not working as intended, I would assume. Really getting a lot of use out of the hook that I rarely get because I almost immediately like eschew it for is that the right way to pronounce that? That's one of those words I think I only ever read and don't hear. Eschew or eschew? A little bit of vocabulary. Right, we are here. We are turning off this. We are making sure that we have food and water for the journey. Probably dropping off all of this junk that I have collected. The hinges are crazy. The number of hinges I have is just wild. Drop this off. I don't need to carry this with me. Will some of this go into here? Yes, it will. And we're going to take this. 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 We're going to dunka, 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 dunka. And we're going to eat several radishes. Or beets. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm a fool, an idiot. And we're going to drink up. And then we're going to hope that we're either close to the place where the anglerfish are, or at the very least close to a, what's it called? You know what I'm talking about. Oh gosh, what's it called? A snowmobile. Can I? No. What if I get it dead on? No. I should have made more of that speed food. I should always have speed food available to me. Because so here's my thing. If this is where, oh no, I'm gonna have to swim, huh? I didn't realize that this was not connected to the mainland. Well, that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be quite the walk back as well. It's okay. What was I gonna say? I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Oh yes, if this works and I see anglerfish here, I think what I'll just have to do is like maybe just go to one of the like earlier like, oh wow, I'm really like slipping and sliding. One of the like earlier story locations, or one just a different one, and see if like going there does something to reset other ones. But here's the thing: is the like stuff comes back, if that makes sense. Like I'm picking up like the little junk packets whenever I go to Verona Point, but the enemies don't come back, which is not normally how you would expect something like this to be. You would normally expect probably like the other way around. Okay, so little things there. Ah, cool. And then we just need to remember where the place is. It'd be nice if I just remembered on my own, but I don't. Alright, off we go. Sit down here. No. What is this, though? Do I know where this is? Have I been here? No, this is just the secret place that was originally here, right? It must be. I must have already been here. I don't think that this is like a special place, but hey, free titanium. I'll take it. I need to build a lot of hooks probably based on how things are going. I thought that all these were in the village, though. Am I not in the village? Or am I in the village? Is over here the village, or is over here where the thing is? Ah. This is where that thing is, yes. Yes. Okay. Pray for me that they are down here. Thank you. Hang on, just re-up on the air real quick. Thank goodness. It's not just all failure. Oop. Come here. Okay, I think I do have to come back up through here to reach to get back out. Okay. Now I'm realizing I don't necessarily know where my boat is parked. um, so we may be in a little bit of trouble. But I'm sure I can figure it out. Where was I close to when I got the thing? Just reverse. Okay, so you came up you came through here. We're retracing our steps. You came through here, and then, yeah, you went down into this, and then through this tunnel was where you started. You got your thing, like, right there. Oop. And then I think you were just up and over this direction. Yeah, you came up this, which means you're just straight out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. Hope I see my boat soon, because if not, this is going to be a real pain. Wait a minute, it's day. I didn't even realize it was daytime. Okay, just walk straight when you come back. Thank you as ever for watching. Hope and pray for me that I make it back to my raft.